beautiful people. Today I am making a refreshing watermelon juice. Cut the watermelon into chunks and remove the seeds if you can. The seeds were too small to remove and would take too much time, so I left some of them in. Cut the cucumbers and also the lemon into smaller pieces. In a juicer, combine the watermelon, cucumbers, and lemon. Use a fine mesh strainer to remove the pulp for a smoother juice. Chill the drink first or pour into a glass over ice and garnish with lemon. This juice is a cooling, revitalizing drink ideal for hot days or post-workout refreshment. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed this juicing recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, share this video with a friend, and until next time, stay healthy.